What are the coordinates of the vertices of P prime, Z prime, Q prime if the scale factor is 2? And the pre-image has the points P at 2, -1, Z at -2, 1, and Q at 0, -2. So first I'm going to plot this. So 2, -1, there's P. Z is at -2, +1, and Q is at 0, -2. So here you can see that we have this triangle, and it has a scale factor of 2. So just like last time, we're going to take each of the points, and we're going to multiply each x and y value by 2. And you can do this algebraically, but when you do this, I want you to make sure you write out P prime. So P prime is going to be at 2 times 2 is 4. -1 times 2 is -2. Z prime is going to be at -4, 2. And Q prime is going to be at 0, -4. And you can always graph this. Because the factor is 2, that means it should have gotten bigger. So at 4, -2 is P prime. Z is at -4, 2. And Q is at 0, -4. So here you can see that your triangle has enlarged.